Hello everyone. Please cope up with this voice as I'm having some issues with my mic. So let's get started.
This is our initial layout, in which only one button is working, that is parent button. In this video we are going to enhance this layout which will make it look beautiful.
First of all, I will delete everything in this layout, except that parent button. So now we are left with this parent layout and a button. Let's first make the layout's background white.
We will start by adding a text view, which will hold the welcome text. Then we will add some attributes to the text. After that, we will add one card view which will hold our image. Inside that card view goes our image view.
I have downloaded this image. You can use any image. Now we will add the size of the card view. After the card view, we will make a constraint layout, and will constrain it below the card view.
Now our layout will hold a edit text view. We will constrain it, and will add a hint attribute to that. So now we will design this edit text view. In our drawable, we will make a new drawable resource file. We will name it as edit text. We will make an item tag, and inside that, we will copy this code. Let me explain you the code.
Inside the shape tag we will define the shape as a rectangle. We'll give its padding to 10 dp and height 60 dp. Then in the radius, we will give 10 dp, solid color as white and color whatever the theme of your app is. Now, in our edit text, we will make the background as the name of the file we just created. Now we will make two more copies of this edit text. We will give them IDs, and will constrain them one below another.
Now we will give them some margin, and also some padding. Now we will change the text input type. Now it's time for our buttons. We will put our parent button inside a constraint layout. Then we will add one more button to it, and will give margins to them. we will constrain our layout below the edit text. Now we will make the layout of our buttons. I have done it already, let me explain you this.
We will choose the color accordingly. The height will be 45 dp and width will be 50. We will also give the radius as 10 dp.
Changing background for our button also. We will make height to match parent. Now we will copy this code and paste it below to make one more button when we will change the id accordingly. Then we will change the constraints of the buttons so that our buttons touches both the ends.
We will give some margins to the buttons.
So now we will put these buttons in a card view. We will paste the properties of our layout to the card view.
We are using card view to give elevation to our buttons.
We will give text to the buttons.
To make the buttons fill the card view equally, we will add one guideline to the layout, and will constrain the end of sign up button, and start of login button to the guideline. After giving a bit of padding to the buttons, and changing the color, we are ready to go. Now let's run and see the output.
Also, changing the color of buttons.
If you like my work, then please do like, share, and subscribe. If you want my freelancing services, then you can contact me on my mail, or you can DM me in my Instagram. Thank you.